Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making a boxing for two packages that came in the mail. Here we go with the first one. So we got Build-A-Figure, Mean Gene Okerlund, WrestleMania Hollywood with Macho King Randy Savage figure. You got the Mean Gene head. You got the Macho Man hands. You got the figure. You got the scepter. You got the crown. You got Macho King Randy Savage on the side. His name on the side. Now I got all of them in the line. Now I can put Mean Gene together. Here's Macho Man's bio. Let's open him up. Got the Macho King Randy Savage Elite with the scepter, the sunglasses, the wrist tape on both arms, the yellow, pink, red, purple tights with white boots with yellow soles on the bottom, nothing on the back. His crown. Mean Gene's head with his bald spot. And the last thing for this figure is the two interchangeable hands. One hand with the finger up in the air, doing his Macho Man pose, and the other hand is closed. That's that figure. Second figure also is WrestleMania Shawn Michaels, Vince McMahon figure. Here you got Shawn Michaels on the side, Shawn Michaels' name on the side, everybody who's in the line, Shawn Michaels' bio. Let's open him up. You got the Shawn Michaels Elite with his gray attire, gray tights with crosses on them, black boots with silver toes. You got the gray top with black. You got the wrist tape on both. Got his tattoo on this arm. Here's the back. It's that. His first set of interchangeable hands. I believe these hands are for Vince McMahon, but I'm not sure. Interchangeable hands. Vince McMahon. Vince McMahon's microphone, WWF microphone. And his arms. That's for the Shawn Michaels figure. Next one is a very special gift. First, this is from Mattel, and they sent me this because of the fact that my other Build-A-Figures didn't work so well. So they sent me this WrestleMania Chyna Build-A-Figure Paul Ellering, but I have it already, and I finished Paul Ellering already. But that was very... Oh, and they also sent me a check for a refund for the Build-A-Figure people, which was very nice of them. Shout out to Mattel for being so nice for their customer service. So we got WrestleMania Chyna Elite. Here's the side, the bio. Let's open it up. Here's the WWF Women's title. Here's Chyna's interchangeable hands. Here's the Chyna figure, Elite, purple top, purple bottom, black boots, nothing on the back, purple headband. So we got Paul Ellering's hands, his arms, and his mannequin, his puppet, Rocco. So that has been my unboxing for 3 wrestlers. Macho King Randy Savage, Mean Gene Build-A-Figure, a Shawn Michaels Vince McMahon Build-A-Figure, and a Chyna Paul Ellering Build-A-Figure courtesy of Mattel customer service. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.